Hi, folks. The day has finally come. It's actually one of my most awaited cameras or gear is finally here. I have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It just got delivered. I was out before during the day. I was working, so I could not open this. And it's right now here. I want to see if I can record my first unboxing and show you my reaction and what the product looks like right out of the box. Before I open this, I got this from Best Buy. I also noticed this was on back order. This is not readily available, but the day I ordered, I think I received this in about 5 days here in Chicago. So let's talk more as we open this, and I'm going to show you my reaction, how I like this. I am obviously extremely excited. I even ordered the SD card for this. It's already here. So let's go open this. Let me first find my knife. All right, here you go. This is the creator pack, the creator combo, Osmo Pocket 3. This is supposed to have all the accessories, and it basically says the Pocket 3, the protective cover, the transmitter, mic 2, 1x4 thread, battery handle, mini tripod, Type-C cable, carrying bag. Man, this has a bunch of stuff. But I think the whole reason I was very convinced with this is because it helps you end to end. Hopefully, after buying this, you don't need any other product. So yeah, let's go open this. This is my first unboxing. The DJI Store app, the Light Cut app. I don't know how many people actually look through the paperwork at all, but guess the companies have to do that as a matter of compliance. Yeah, so they actually have the stickers in this from DJI. This is the carrying case, and this has the black Pro Mist lens and the wide angle lens space for those. There's nothing here. This is basically an empty cover like this. This is built well, but this is one of those things which I haven't heard great feedback on. People have said that this actually is not a great cover. Looks like a very nice pouch from DJI for the camera. So I think this is a very thoughtful design. It looks like they want you to have a single pouch which can hold everything. Now let me get closer. Let me show you how they've packed it. Yeah, so they've packed it very smartly, thought through. And here we go, guys. Here we go. That's about it. That's actually something which is smaller than my hand. This is this is so small, and you're supposed to hold it like this. Crazy. Extremely well built. I don't know what to say. It looks amazing. I don't think I've held something like that before. I'm used to holding large cameras, even with battery grips. Those things make the cameras huge and very grippy, but this is one of its own kind. I don't think I've ever used. People have talked about the DJI Pocket 2. They've had those cameras. I have never used it before. So yeah, and that's the screen. Let's leave it here. Okay, let's go explore what else do we have. Now that's the mic 2 from DJI. Looks beautiful. Those are the magnetic, I don't know if they're magnetic, but connectors. This looks like a battery grip to me. This actually has the mount at the bottom. Again, everything looks and feels. This has this rubbery. It's not very rubbery, but textured kind of a feel. Hopefully, it'll help when you're holding the camera for longer durations. And this is the tripod, the the base of the tripod, and with DJI logo everywhere. And I think this is supposed to go like this. Yeah, it's supposed to hook under. Yeah, again, a small thing, probably not the sturdiest looking tripod, but looks kind of cute. And one more small stand. I'll have to figure out which one of them is a battery pack versus which one of them is just. Looks like this is the one we had before. The large one is the battery pack, and this guy is just the extension. So you could actually use the camera with the battery pack, or you could also use camera with this guy and mount it on a camera, any type of tripod. So tripod could go with either the battery backup or just the extended handle. Yeah, so I think that makes sense. So camera, and then you have this extended handle, and you have this additional battery grip. Both of these guys have mounts, so all of them are they can go with your tripod. um, let's see what else is in the box. I have the dead cat here, a very furry cat, and that's something you put in the camera, so hopefully it helps you grip better. Here is the lens, the wide angle lens, supposedly. Then the USB-C cable, and what is this? So this is for the mic. Yeah, so that it can go inside the shirt and you don't have to put it specifically. So something like this. Yes, got it. Looks like that is all we have in the box. In the pouch feels amazing, very high quality, and especially very well thought out. I don't know how do I show this comparison for you, but here is my iPad. Look at this. This is, and I don't have the full size iPad, by the way. I have this smaller iPad Pro. Um, and look at the size of this guy. So this is so small. That is crazy. And this is why the internet and everybody and all the vloggers, everybody has been talking about it. All right, that's the unboxing. Let's hook up the camera and let's see how this looks. All right, so I have the SD card for this. Yeah, all the ports, the SD card ports, they're all open. So definitely cannot be taken out in the rain. All right. So the SD card is loaded, 512 GBs. Let's turn this thing on. Okay, I have to let me shift my camera and show you what I'm seeing. Okay, it says swipe right to adjust the exposure. This is recording right now. I like it. It's a little too small, and probably what I need is hook up this guy, its friend. Yeah, this makes this guy a lot more sensible to hold. Yeah, it makes a good chime when you basically stop recording or start recording for that matter. So that's it. That's the Pocket 3. Here's one more look. This is my first test video in the portrait mode on my Osmo Pocket 3. Let's see how this looks. Okay, now I am actually recording my first video using the Pro mode. I have turned off the ISO automatic and the white balance and the shutter speed. So right now I've set it up to 4K 1/60 shutter and 30 frames per second. So let's see how this looks in the video. I have not played with the exposure adjustments yet. All right, but super excited. Looks very wide to me. And if I actually let us set it up a little further on my desk and see if yeah. So this could be my view if I wanted to set up with this guy, and obviously it's covering too much in the room. Anyways, we'll see. The quality looks good for now, but we'll see. Bye for now.